Today I'm having these yummy noodles with chicken breast. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add red onion in my hot cooking pan with oil, then ginger and garlic, and I'm going to stir this well. Then I will add some oyster sauce with paprika and noodle sauce with chili. Then I'll stir this well before I introduce my chicken breast into the mix. And then I'm going to stir this well, let it cook for at least 4 minutes before I add my chicken stock. Yes. And then after, I'll cover it and let it boil. And after my sauce has boiled, I'm going to add my noodles in, let it cook for at least 6 minutes. Yes. And then after my noodles is cooked, I'm going to add some spring onions, and the first thing I'm doing is to serve my food. Nothing else. I have to serve this and eat this hot. And then I'll add some fried eggs into my noodles. And yes, guys, this meal is yummy.